not guilty plea is a legal term. It's a legal concept, and it allows us to continue the case on and determine what might be an appropriate result, whether it's a plea agreement or a trial.
You're representing the organization, but obviously the Bolduc family is the owner of Harvest Hill Farms. How is Mr. Bolduc doing? How is the family doing? Have you been in touch with him?
Correct. It's a bittersweet scenario for him, obviously. He's obviously happy he's not here personally in court today. I think that he worked extremely hard on behalf of himself and the corporation to prove that he didn't do anything wrong criminally. And so from that vantage point, he's doing well. Of course, the tragedy underlining Cassidy Sherrod is always with him. It haunts him every day. It haunts his family every day. I think everybody who's affiliated with that night is devastated. And so he lives with that terror.
So are you happy that this is going into, a full trial, at least on behalf of Harvest Hill Farms?
So the question is, am I happy if it goes into a full trial? And I would say no. Through Peter Bolduc, through Harvest Hill Farms all along, we've been fully cooperative. We've submitted to hours of interviews with the Maine State Police. We've had him testify before the grand jury. So I think our cooperation is what has been most beneficial to the public, to him, to the victims in this case. And so we intend to continue to do that.
How unusual is this case against a business entity? I've never encountered one in all the years I've been doing this work. Have you?
I have, but it's rare, and it's usually smaller matters. And I think certainly, it's clear that the symbolic nature of this indictment is probably the most pressing reason why Harvest Hill Farms was indicted. It's probably from the DA or the grand jury to make a statement to the community that these accidents and tragedies will be taken seriously.
But in terms of legally, if the manslaughter conviction for a corporation, it's fines. What's the potential penalty?
Right. I'm going to get back to you on that one. Okay. Yeah. Let me double check. I'm not sure if it's 20,000. Honestly, off the record, if you deal with manslaughter, you're typically dealing with how many years in jail.
Right.
So let me double check that and find out what the exact fine amount is. I'll run back up. I'll get that for you in a few minutes. Okay.
Is the farm on Route 26, is that the only